Hello guys, my name is Sagar Jate. Today we will discuss about loops. So normally loops having three types: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay. So today we will discuss about just only for loop. So normally for loop having five types. First one is a with increment loop. Next one is without increment loop. Third one is a nested loop. Fourth one is a label loop. And fifth one is infinite loop. So shall I start with increment loop. So once again I will go to the Eclipse, and inside the Eclipse I will create first one program 3. Inside I have taken main method. So this stuff is create normally, so don't write main method because these tools you have provide like that things. Okay, so first an example of with increment loop. Okay, so when are you have to use these loops. So normally you want print 1 to 100 numbers. When are you print 1 to 1000 like that. So that times very you want use these types of loops. So I will print print 1 2 3 4 and 5 like that. So 4 2 3 5 and so on. But whenever you type 1000 times 1 lakh times, so this is very complex to how much line you will write. So this is a code redundancy. That means that you will create one code same like that. So this is a redundancy of the code. So that things how to avoid that. So you can use with increment loops means you know that properly initial position limit, then you will take these loops. So normally I am taking that these loops. So how to use that loop? So very simple that. So first position is initialization position. So I want start position 1, and then is less than limit how much times you will print, and then you want increment variables. So very simple. This is a initial position. Next one, this is a limit, and third one is increment loop. Okay, so after that you just only print your number. So I'm putting their I values, and once again select this stuff, right click, run as, and run on Java application, and you get your answer. So you have see that you got your answer. So 1 to 100 you will print. If you want thousands, so easily you will just hike your limit, and then you got your result. Same like that, how much times you will run your iterator, so that times you will use for loop. So always remember these things. You know that initial position as well as final position. So that times this loop is compatible to you will use. Okay. Then next one loop is I will use. So next one loop is without increment loop. So once again I will create new one programs. So inside programs I will mention program 4. Once again I will check main methods stuff same like that. Okay, so in this loop, normally you will use which loop? An example of without increment loop. So always remember that you know that initial position as well as last position. So it doesn't matter you know that initial position, but you know that last position. So that times does not know that last position. So that will use without increment loop. So how to use that? So I am taking one array. So this array concept. After that we you will I will explain that how to use array like that concepts. So just only I will take some values here: 30, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13. Okay, so I have taken these values. So I know just only initial position but I know final position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 means 7 steps, 7 values here. So once again you will use with increment loop. So you will start initial position is 0, then your limit is 7, then I plus plus. Once again you will write a is equal to values. Once again you will run. So you will got your answer. So why we can use instead without increment loop? Why this loop is not used? Because normally you will think that I am adding one more values 56, 89, and once again I will run this stuff. So once again you got your same like that answer, means your limit is a hardcore. So this times once again you will change this stuff, and once again you will run, so you got your answer, right? Okay, so you will think that I will change some changes in these values, and once again I will run this. So that times and some values I have removed, and once again you will check some exception you have, because you have 7 values. After that you will check 2 values, so this is wrong. So always your limit is a hardcore limit, so this loop is not compatible to use here. So that times you will use without increment loop. So very simple that without increment loop you will use. So these are is which is data types in data types, so you will mention here. Then here is a variable is a, so you will change b colon, and then you will mention these variables. So very simple. Okay, so very simple. Data types mention int a except other any variable you will declare here b colon, same like that a variable you declare here, and then you can just only mention here b. So once again you will run this stuff, and you will got your perfect answer. Okay, whatever you will add here value like that, how much you will take here value, so it doesn't any affect any limit. So you will got your answer. When you want remove some values, so once again you will check this stuff, so it doesn't affect any limit. So this loops is very compatible to here. Okay, so after that you will learn nested loop. So nested loop I will explain next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe it.